so rare. Perhaps this is because of the meta glasses. The meta glasses. I have it for a week now, and I'm loving it. So here, a little experiment. I wear a headset. At the same time, I speak to my glasses, and I just want to feel how it feels. I just want to feel it. It was good. It was good. It was a nice experience. You can take pictures at the same time and listen to music. Wonderful. Yeah, maybe make a song. Let me think. Some verses that I would like to say, like I wear you proudly, you shimmer and shine. With every glance you bring me to life. A little magic in a frame of glass. Together we create good times. Past so fast. People giggle. People giggle wondering what I see, but you're just my guide, always setting me free. Maybe something like that. Oh, I'm down to the next bus station now, closer. I'll be thinking more about the tune. It's so bright, it's the next day, I'm still thinking about the tune. We'll see. I wear you proudly, you shimmer and shine. With every glance, you bring me life. A little magic in a frame of glass. Together we create
a video a little bit.
Good times pass so fast. Perhaps this is alright now. It's somewhat like that, and what I'm gonna do next. Maybe I'll just jump into speak with the other AI. You know, we are being run by a lot of AI now to produce content. I'm gonna speak with maybe Gemini or Copilot or another chat GPT or fix my writing on Grammarly. Yeah, that's it. I'll just put it there and arrange the lyrics that I have in mind, and after that I jump into Sono to create the tune, the music, or maybe I had put some beats on use BandLab, or maybe try it on my GarageBand on iOS. So many, I get so many options in there, but I'll see how it goes now. Yes, probably I'll share you the tune I come up with. Okay, ciao, let's go. I'll wear you proudly, you shimmer and shine. With every glance, you bring me to life. A little magic in a frame of glass. Together we create good times pass so fast. People wondering what I see, so you're just my guide, always setting me free. Oh, Mary, baby, my quantity life.
with a cool little lens. Yeah, he shines so bright. Every moment, all there's a whimsical spring. Standing beside you, they are wild and I'm free. We twirl till the beat, dance under the sun, laughing at the world, just having some fun. You tell me the trend, you predict the next wave, and this melody of life, I'm your biggest break. So let it then still, let it then shine with you, my dear friend, I've got no doubt. Oh, man, man, by Courtney Delight, with a cool little lens and you shine so bright, turn every moment, all that low into a whimsical spree. Standing beside you and baby, I'm wild and I'm free. So here's to adventures, just me and you. Made of Ray-Ban life's lands, pure as the dew.
Looking at things. So that's the end of the music I make, and thank you so much for your support in this channel, and thank you for subscribing. And all in this channel I put in the meta pictures, the shots that I make. I stretch it up when I put it on a ratio of 16.9, because the meta shots is not 16.9. It's been reversed and it's on the other way around. It's the 9.16. But anyway, thank you guys for subscribing, and this means the world to me. So this is the end of our meta wrap up for the week for the shots that I make, and as you have seen it all there, and I'm heading home now, guys, and thank you so much. Hope you enjoy. Cheers. Have a good day.